Why hello there! Today we look at some new limited edition Breitling Chronomats. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. This time, Breitling has partnered with Triumph motorcycles to create a special version of the venerable Chronomat. The case is made of titanium with elements of 18-karat gold. The watch head weighs only 85 grams. There's a rally perforated leather strap to go with the watch. To celebrate the brand's partnership, the counterweight of the Chrono second hand is the logo of Triumph. While motorcycling might not be all the rage for everyone, at HHN we freely admit this version of the Chronomat is a stunner. At 11,000 euros, you might also call it reasonably priced, albeit the true showstopper could be its size. At 50 millimeters lug to lug, the Chronomat is all about the size of your wrist and not the thickness of your wallet. Oh, and if you are into motorcycles, actually, there are 270 Breitling branded Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RR for sale too. If you buy the bike, you can order a special edition of the Chronomat with a carbon dial. That's limited. Do you hear that, Seiko? The regular Chronomats are now available with new rouleau-inspired straps. What is a rouleau? I'm glad you asked. It's the Breitling signature bracelet. Single link with a butterfly clasp. Now you can have the Chronomat on a comfortable rubber strap, mimicking the shape and texture of the bracelet. If you order the watch on the rubber, you can save a couple of €100 as compared to the bracelet. Let's take the opportunity to mention the movement. It's the Breitling 01, an automatic chronograph first released in 2009. Since then, it not only proved its reliability, but also served as a base for Tudor's MT5813. If you are interested, there's a link below to our video about one of those watches. Last not least, let's mention two watches co-designed with the NBA star, Giannis Antetokounmpo. It's a steel GMT with a green dial and a gold Chronomat with a green dial. Have a look at the second-hand counterweight. How deep you have to be into the NBA to wear a player's initials on your wrist. Come to think of it, imagine your initials as a way to customize your watch. Would you like it? Drop us a comment. So there you go, a couple of reasons to consider Breitling Chronomat if you haven't followed it closely before. We do hope this video was a slam dunk for you. Oh boy, who wrote that end joke? Seriously? Catch you in the next one.